Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Superintendent of Police yang East Khas Hills ba Bibex im kumju ru ki Trai Ïing ba syong kasa kong enlang pawa kabagi jukhat sin kum kong larai kila Pyntikna ba ka Metïap ka balap na wa lapalang kadai ka Metïap jong kong larai USP liatu ba ka met labu syuah nigrims ba an le ek postmortem na syai Rngi liatu ru bagi polit ka sedang mentokit na markidan ki Jynriew ki bagi suba ba ka jing tokit menta kadang ya
ngadai sa kong sandras im ini para jo ini baklan ide iba syong bat ni syuah idang kena kan di syong ba ipa jengi de long so kendet mo ba yo kum gani ka news ba long ngila liwat to ko ski ba ijai tang bangi klem lap de ngidang lap nang long nang i ka news de phone kan ni para yang ai ong wan shani de ngadang yo wan mentahi na mar ngai ladi ro hayem ba yu de ngadang yo wan mentahi ni anong kumno kan because like she's not stable iway bopli long iba ana imyo sngo bha sakaway long imyo sngo hiro nang takaktin ka thali do imyo sngo tho banya kren ka banya sngo tho banya kren do de tang hayeng hasam hi naman long ba kibreu ti imla banya ban conversation like banya kren ya khana bat kibreu ti imla re bopli she's very like anong no retarded day da she's a special child nganong actually ngi por ba ja tingim tip ai tadi la ja hadin like Friday ja tingi tip ni hakas ngi ngatip mga dalong hakas ngi Sunday te Sunday marsin tip hi ti ong ini para yung wan no siya po lausip na mar ngi ni iwat ba siya to Jan Children's Hospital tingil iwat ba siya takan tangkum tahi no nothing we kan pa ngimpat la ban ong ai re am ya kani iday mai na mari paradang mentan idang wan man identify ila day mai kan
kanu karta dulu
she's 39
idang marbe
idang marbe obat ka para
there was this lady Ïing for 39 years she had gone missing she's a temporary resident of Jynriew and she went missing on the 20th of March. A missing report had been filed in the Japanese station. Lookout notices were sent, lookout alerts were sent to all police stations, to other districts and other states, neighboring states. But no information was received on her whereabouts. It was only today, that the 6th of April, that body was found in a plastic sack which was tied in the river adjoining Rngi and Palang. And a lot of our police officers had gone there, the special cell, the forensic team had gone there to the place of occurrence to examine the place of occurrence and the body. The body has been, as of now, been taken to Longkmie and postmortem will be conducted tomorrow. A case will be registered against the accused, and police is still working on the case, on the investigation of the case to ensure that the culprit is booked. We already have certain clues on the suspect, and very soon we'll be clear on who the person is. If we start the investigation, we will know what is the motive and we'll behind the crime.
Sir,
see, the body is decomposed. It's in a decomposed state right now. Once postmortem is over, and once we get a report, we'll be able to see what kind of injury, how was the deceased killed. This will go to postmortem.